problem with my Honda, and took me a while to figure out what it was. In the beginning, I have no spark, I have no gas, no injection, no fuel pressure. It was really a pain in the butt to find out what this was. I'm gonna show you guys what it does real quick, so you guys see what it's actually doing. Find my key real quick. That's pretty much all it does. You know, if you're having an issue like this, can't seem to figure out, because I thought it was the crank position sensor, since one of those is actually that controls the spark and the fuel injection on this vehicle, which is normally down there on the pulley on the bottom. This one has no cap, which the other previous owner lost it, but it should be down there. But I found out that for this 94 model, it actually doesn't have that sensor. So after a whole bunch of research and stuff, I ran across a friend that told me to check my ECU. So I did, and let me show you guys what I found out. This is actually an ECU that a friend let me borrow. It's not my actual car's ECU, that's from a B16. But this is my actual ECU right here. And as you can see, this one right here, it's burnt. As soon as I opened it, I saw it was burnt, but I was gonna try switch this power one and put it on this one, since I saw it was burnt. But when I took it off, I saw the severity of it and saw it was really messed up. So there's no help on that. I'll be buying another one. But let me show you guys what happens when I hit the one he let me borrow to see if it worked. He told me just try it, and if it goes on, turn it off right away, because it's not supposed to be for that engine. And if it does not turn on, then you know it's not the problem. So alright, so the one he let me borrow is plugged in now. That is from a B16 DOHC engine, so you can't leave it running, because it will mess up your engine if you do leave it running. But here, let me show you guys real quick. As you can see, that was the issue. The computer is burnt. It's pretty messed up. As you can see how bad it is. I might have to find out why it did that, why it happened. Maybe there's a short somewhere that I gotta find out where it is, so if I get a new computer, that doesn't happen to it again. So alright, if you guys have any comments, any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, thank you, bye.